Hey guys, so I have been meaning to share this recipe with you all, and I'm actually missing one of my main ingredients, a thing of chicken stock or chicken broth, chicken stock. I usually use that instead of water when I make this in the crock pot, but water works just as well. My mom always made it with water, so I'm actually going to brown the ham a little bit with the garlic and onions in the pan to give it a little bit more flavor. Normally with the chicken stock I would just put everything in the crock pot without browning it because I'm lazy, but because we don't have that extra flavor, I'm going to add a little bit more to this. So this is crock pot lima beans and ham, and it's just super delicious, especially whenever it's cold outside, and my mom used to make it for me when I was sick, and Landon really likes it. I always make a pot of rice to go with it, so it has rice in it as well, white rice, and I just use the rice cooker when I do that. So I will show you how I make it. Okay guys, so that was literally it. Nothing to it. You just brown the ham and the onions and garlic and then some spices, whatever kind of spices you like. I used that garlic blend because we really like garlic. And then you don't want to overdo the salt. I put a little bit of salt in here. The ham is pretty salty, so you don't want to overdo that. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. So, and then I just barely covered this with water. And then I might add a little bit more water later if I think I need to. It's on low right now, and I will turn it up on high in a few hours to get it boiling, and then it should be ready. I'm starting this at like 12:30. It should be ready around 6:30 or 7 when we want to eat. So I obviously used a small bag of the lima beans because it's just for Landon and I, and this lasts us for a few days. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I used a larger package of ham cubes than I really needed, so I scooped some of those out to use in omelets later on. So I'm almost meal prepping today. Aren't you guys proud of me? But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you will try this out and let me know if you like it. Landon loves it, and I always loved it growing up, so that's all I got for you today. Bye, guys.